Here I am looking at the LYNX Whiteboard Dashboard, and as you can see, I haven't signed into LYNX yet. So if I hit sign in here, it takes me to the LYNX cloud, and because I signed in previously in the website with my Google account, Lynxy McLynxface, all I need to do is click there and I'm signed in, and I haven't had to create a password or anything because it's using the password for my Gmail. You have the same sort of experience if you're using Microsoft as well. Now I can return to the app and you can see that it's telling me that I am signed into my account. While we're here looking at the dashboard, what else we can do is that we have on the right here some shortcuts to some of the other areas of the website, such as the LYNX portal. The LYNX portal showcases some of our apps. It has some tutorial videos, and also it talks about recent changes to LYNX as well. We also have a shortcut to LYNX activities. So this will take you to your area where you can store some of the online activities. Look out for a video later on. As you can see at the moment, I don't have any activities because this is a brand new account. Also in the dashboard, we have the area where we can open up a brand new file. We can use the AI builder if we become a LYNX Pro user to create presentations. And we have the files area where we can open up content from our device. So you can see I have the local folders on my device here, and I also have my Google Drive automatically connected and the LYNX cloud that you get for free. You get 1 GB as a free user. To upgrade all of that and to upgrade to LYNX Whiteboard Pro, there is a link here, which again will take you to part of the website where you can compare pricing, and if you want a site license, you can contact us for a quote. We also have access to the options in the dashboard, as well as a help section, and we'll see more about those when we look into the app properly in one of our later videos. So, welcome to the dashboard.